Tonight, we kick off a series called The Difference Makers, profiling some of the most important people in business and finance over the past year and the impact that they've had. Now, in a year highlighted by activist investors, no one was more active than Carl Icahn. Wall Street's richest man took aim at several companies in 2013 and even one of his rivals. Scott Wapner has more.
From dueling with Dell,
they actually go out and they scare their own shareholders,
to agitating Apple.
It's at an absurd price relative to the market.
No investor has roared louder this year than Carl Icahn, the almost octogenarian activist arguing for change at business after business.
Well, he's certainly the most vocal. You know, he has a very big microphone and he's taking on the world's richest and most beloved companies.
But one of Icahn's biggest battles this year wasn't with a corporate heavyweight.
You know, I really sort of had it with this guy, Ackman.
But a rival, Bill Ackman.
Ackman is a liar, okay?
The billionaires brawled live on CNBC over nutrition company Herbalife, and a decade's worth of animosity poured out. The world watched, and trading on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange virtually stopped.
I never said that I want to be friends with you, Bill. I wouldn't be friends with
Carl.
you. And I would. You said to
Carl.
me you'd like to be friends so that we could invest together.
Carl, I have no interest. Do you think I want to invest with you? Okay, let's move on.
I would invest with you
Let's
if you were
move
the
on.
last man on earth.
But one of Icahn's most memorable moments wasn't about a tiff, but a trade. The investor placed a big bet on video streaming service Netflix and hit the jackpot, an $800 million profit in just 14 months.
I wanted to sell it about 100 points ago. I really wanted to sell it. My son threatened to leave.
A big score for an investor who, even as he ages, shows no signs of slowing down.
I think that he is an extremely persistent and aggressive guy. I wouldn't necessarily want to be on the wrong side of a deal from him, but he's a super smart guy. He's got a lot to say, and I hope investors and companies are really listening.
And if they aren't yet, they probably should be. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Scott Wapner.
And join us tomorrow night for the next in our series of Difference Makers. We're going to profile Yahoo CEO Marissa Mayer, her impact on the company and on the business world.